Alright, we found this today at a second-hand shop in Sapporo, Japan. The JN-100 Jaguar. It came with this manual in Japanese. It came with a Game Boy Color. And it came with Raku. I'll show you in a minute because the Game Boy's on at the moment. Which is the software for making patterns. So we've been trying to work out how to make it work whilst filming, which turned out to be a huge waste of time. But now we've tested it, we know what to do. So this is a software, Raku Mission. And what it allows you to do is it gives you some patterns, and it also allows you to create patterns to sew onto the material. So this machine, it comes with some, I guess it doesn't come with this thread, just because we got it secondhand. But you can put in your thread, 2 different kinds, I guess, maybe a third kind. And in the back, you got the cable that's built in that goes into the Game Boy. And you've got another cable that's built in for power outlet. And this power outlet is Japan, which is the same as US and Canada, and maybe other places. So, you want to show us how it works? Seeing as you're the master.
Button hole, like a ABCD.
Letters.
Favorite. Create, use, setting for colors.
Setting for colors. Okay. So the fourth one seems to be saved. Ones that maybe the user has saved. And the fifth one, maybe if you want to create your own pattern. But this one has no pattern saved, apparently. So we'll just go for the preset ones, which look like this, which are wonderful. I can't wait to have these on a tank top. So we tested with hearts, and it didn't come out too great, but not that I expected much. Maybe we can go for something else. What do you reckon looks good?
What do you want?
That style looks awesome. Alright, so it's good to go. So now we pretty much said what we want to do, and it's told us to turn the machine on, pretty much. So we're going to put in some cloth, clamp it down, turn on the machine, and away it sews. But like, how does it decide the pattern? Doesn't you holding it affect the pattern? Or not? Because you're holding the fabric, isn't it going to mess up the pattern, or is it?
There is a rail and it's going.
I see.
No, okay. I'm pushing.
Yeah, you're just stopping it from bunching up. How do you know? Alright, finished the result. It's something, that's for sure. I wouldn't call them stars, but who am I to judge this great piece of machinery? So now it knows that you're finished. I can't get good. Yeah. Bless the Game Boy Color screen. I guess that's enough of a demonstration, huh? Are you impressed? Huh? You going for another one? Another star?
It's dope.
Can you use the sewing machine just as a sewing machine?
Yeah.
I guess so, you don't have to plug in the Game Boy. Impressive. So you have this instead of the pedal, I guess. There isn't a hole for an optional pedal, but it didn't come with it. This one here, I guess.
Stuck.
Is it stuck?
Stop, Georgia.
Just don't break it, whatever you do. Yeah, so I have no idea about the value of this thing. We paid 5,400 yen. I don't know what that is in global currencies. Not too expensive, but you know, with the Game Boy, with the software, with the manual, with some accessories, this and other stuff, which has gone somewhere. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Interesting, I guess. Maybe a collector's item. Huh? Just don't rip it out. Cut the top away. Alright, that's all for now. Hope you enjoy.